Hi, I'm Daniela and welcome back to my universe. In today's tutorial we will crochet this baby T-Rex. It is pretty easy and fast, so I hope you like it. Comment what should I do next, subscribe, and let's go to the video. We will start with a magic ring, wrapping the yarn around my fingers over, under and cross. Then I will grab my hook and go under this yarn, grab the one on the top and pull it around my hook. Then I will grab the yarn on the top again and pull it through the loop in my hook. Now we will do 6 single crochet into the magic ring. To do 1 single crochet, we will insert our hook into the magic ring, yarn under, pull through the magic ring, yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. I will continue with the other 5 single crochet and then I'm going to close my magic ring. For round 2 we will make 6 increases. To do an increase you just gotta make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. At the end of this round you should have 12 stitches. We will start round 3 by doing an increase and 1 single crochet 5 times. I'll meet you back in the next increase to perform the color change and do the bubble stitch together.
What the dog doing?
We are now going to do the last increase, but instead of yarning over with our main color, we will use our secondary color. In this way, we will do a color change. Now let's do a bubble stitch. For this, we will yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. Now we should have 3 loops over our hook. Yarn over and pull through only 2 of these loops. Now you should have 2 loops over your hook. We will yarn over, insert our hook into the same stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. Now you should have 4 loops over your hook, yarn over and go through 2 loops. Now you should have 3 loops over your hook. We will yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn under, pull through the stitch. Now you should have 5 loops over your hook, yarn over and pull through only 2 of them. Now you should have 4 loops in your hook. Now we are going to take the main color, yarn over and pull through all of the loops. In round 4 we will single crochet around. This means we will do 1 single crochet per stitch. We will start round 5 by doing 6 single crochet, and I'll meet you to do the decrease together. To do a decrease, we will insert our hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Now we will yarn under and pull through both loops. Now we will yarn over and pull through both loops in our hook. To continue with this round, we will do 2 single crochet, another decrease, 5 single crochet, and 1 bubble stitch with our secondary color. For round 6, we will do 5 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, 4 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, and 5 single crochet. However, depending on your tension throughout the project, you might have to change the placement of the bubble stitches so that your T-Rex looks symmetric.
What the dog doing?
Before we continue, we will add the safety eyes between rounds 3 and 4, 5 stitches apart. For round 7, we will do an increase and a single crochet 7 times. Then we will do an increase, doing a color change at the end, and a bubble stitch with our secondary color. At the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches.
What the dog doing?
In round 8, we will single crochet around. In round 9 we will do 23 single crochet and 1 bubble stitch with our secondary color. We will start round 10 by doing 2 increases, then we will do 20 single crochet, and finally we will do 2 increases. At the end of this round you should have 28 stitches.
What the dog doing?
In round 11 we will do 10 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, 7 single crochet, 1 bubble stitch, and 9 single crochet. Remember that based on your tension along the project you might have to change the placement of the bubble stitches.
What the dog doing?
In round 12 we will do 2 decreases, 20 single crochet, and 2 decreases. You should end up this round with 24 stitches.
What the dog doing?
For round 13, we will do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round. You should end up with 16 stitches. Before you continue, add as much stuffing as you can.
What the dog doing?
In the last round, we will decrease 8 times. At the end, you should end up with 8 stitches. We can now cut the yarn and fasten off. To close, I like to insert my sewing needle through the front loop only of each of the stitches and then pull my yarn. It will close the project. And there you go, I hope you liked the tutorial. Remember, you can find the written pattern in my Instagram if you prefer that format. Comment what should I do next, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!